Thinking about buying a used Dodge Ram 1500? Stop right there. While the Ram 1500 is one of the most popular and capable trucks on the road, some model years can turn your dream truck into a money pit. In today's video, we're breaking down the Ram 1500 years you should absolutely avoid, the worst problems owners report, and how to protect yourself before spending thousands on repairs. Stick around, this could save you a lot of frustration and cash. The Dodge Ram 1500 is known for versatility. It can be a work truck, daily driver, or both. Most model years are solid, but after digging through owner complaints, recalls, and reliability data, 8 specific years stand out for all the wrong reasons. Let's break them down. Number 1. 2003 Dodge Ram 1500. The 2003 Ram 1500 is infamous for constant engine-related complaints. While no single issue dominates, owners report a frustrating mix of knocking, stalling, and random check engine lights. Check engine light comes on repeatedly, often with no clear cause. Owners report chasing problems that never fully get fixed. Dashboard cracking at extremely low mileage. Dash deterioration becomes so severe it can literally fall apart. Even though some issues are cosmetic, the constant electrical and engine warnings make this year one of the most annoying to own. Number 2. 2010 to 2013 Dodge Ram 1500 5.7-liter V8. These model years, especially with the 5.7-liter Hemi, suffer from serious engine and drivetrain complaints. Common issues include engine shutting off while driving, lifters wearing out the camshaft, very expensive repair, engine cranks but won't start, transmission, suspension, and electrical problems. On top of that, many owners complain that the power-to-MPG ratio is disappointing, especially compared to rival trucks from the same years. Number 3. 2014 Dodge Ram 1500. This year introduced the EcoDiesel engine, and unfortunately, it came with first-generation problems. 14 recalls for the 2014 model year. Many issues tied directly or indirectly to the engine. Major transmission complaints. Owners report hard or delayed downshifts, loud noises at cold starts, no acceleration despite rising RPMs, transmission bumping when braking or accelerating. These issues may start small, but many owners report them leading to full transmission failures. Number 4. 2015 Dodge Ram 1500. The EcoDiesel problems didn't stop in 2014. 14 recalls affecting electrical systems, engine, transmission, and fuel systems. Continued reliability issues with the EcoDiesel platform. Tech complaints skyrocketed this year. GPS and Uconnect failures, radio cutting out, random dashboard warning lights, screen and display malfunctions. The worst part? Many of these problems are hard to diagnose, often fixed temporarily, then returned later. Number 5. 2016 Dodge Ram 1500. By 2016, Ram was still battling EcoDiesel growing pains. 11 recalls total. Fewer engine problems, but more safety-related concerns. Reported issues include faulty power tailgate latches, shifter linkage failures, cruise control malfunctions, airbag-related defects. While improvements were made, this year still carries more risk than newer models. Common Dodge Ram 1500 problems you should know. Even outside these specific years, the Ram 1500 has some well-known recurring issues. 1. Exhaust manifold bolt failures, 3.7-liter V6 and 4.7-liter V8. 2. Coolant leaks causing overheating, 1994 to 2010 models. 3. TIPM electrical failures, leading to power windows, AC, and airbag issues. 4. Body and paint defects, including rust and poor panel fitment. 5. Defective crash sensors, potentially preventing airbag deployment. 6. Oil sludge buildup in certain engines, leading to oil starvation. 7. Death wobble, especially in 2004 to 2008 models, causing violent front-end shaking. Despite these issues, the Ram 1500 still holds an above-average reliability score of 3.5 out of 5, meaning not every model year is a bad choice. With careful research and the right expectations, the Dodge Ram 1500 can still be a fantastic used truck. Just make sure you check the model year, engine type, recall history, and towing configuration before buying. Avoiding the problem years we covered today could mean the difference between owning a reliable truck or one that lives at the repair shop.